Hello everyone, I am Will from DigiFix back again with another interesting video. Before we continue, check out our latest posts at our Instagram and press the follow button for new updates and news. Let's dive into the video. So, today's topic is 7 SEO reporting tools you must use for your website. Interesting topic, isn't it? If you own or manage a website, you should focus on increasing organic traffic to your website, because it has numerous benefits for your website. For that, you should maintain a higher search engine ranking. SEO reporting tools help you to get a higher search engine ranking. I will explain what the SEO reporting tools are, the characteristics of SEO reporting tools, and examples of SEO reporting tools. SEO tools are digital systems that create reports on factors that help your website get a higher rank on the search engine results page. You can do search engine optimization on your own or get help from an SEO agency. No matter what, understanding the SEO reporting tools is important. Let's see the characteristics of SEO reporting tools. Providing correct information, having many features, customized reports, and white labeling reports are the characteristics. Now let's see the examples for SEO reporting tools. First, I like to tell you about the free SEO reporting tools. The first one on the list is Google Analytics. It is a tool from Google. You can use Google Analytics to track some SEO-related metrics and generate reports to assess your SEO performance. The second one on the free list is Google Search Console. It is Google's free suite for SEO reports. It is a free tool, and any website owner can get SEO reports for their website if they register on this tool. Third one on the free list is Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is a free tool. This is a good SEO reporting tool for agencies. You can integrate Google Data Studio with other Google tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Ads, and YouTube. Then let's see the examples of SEO reporting tools for agencies. The first one on this list is SEMrush. SEMrush is a powerful keyword research and position tracking tool. You can get competitor discovery reports, location reports, competitor tracking, and more. As a result, SEMrush is a good tool for those who want to stay ahead of competitors in SEO and social media campaigns. The second one is Moz Pro. Moz Pro has features such as Link Explorer, Rank Tracker, Keyword Explorer, Site Crawler, Custom Reports, and Page Optimizer. The third one is Southeast Ranking. Southeast Ranking is one of the most affordable SEO reporting tools for agencies. Southeast Ranking's plans start at $7 per month. Agencies who manage multiple websites can use the $39 per month plan. The final tool is Agency Analytics. Agency Analytics is an excellent beginner's reporting tool for agencies. It is one of the most cost-effective and easy-to-use tools on this list for micro to mid-sized agencies. I have only mentioned few SEO reporting tools in this video, but there are many tools. Would you like to know them? Then you can read our latest blog on 7 SEO reporting tools you must use for your website. Looks like we came to the end of our video. If you like to bring your business to the next level and boost your sales, you should invest in digital marketing. And if you need any help for your digital marketing tasks, our expertise team at DigiFix is more than happy to help you. Visit our website by clicking the link in description. See you again in another video.